everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to unbox Redmi A4 5G. Under the box there is a cell phone, and in the mini box this is the SIM ejector, and under it there is the manual guides. If you want to check how to connect or not, you can check under the manual guides. This is the cable wire which is type C. Okay, so now let's check this adapter. Here is the adapter. It's 33-watt adapter. It's really amazing. And now let's look at its ports and buttons. Ports and buttons on this cell phone. In this side it's power buttons and volume up and down button, and output is the 3.5mm jack, and in this side here is to insert the SIM card, and on the downward there is the speaker to insert your charger and your mic. Display size of Redmi A4 5G is 6.88 inch, big screen, fine video viewing experience, largest and smoothest display with 120Hz refresh rate. RAM is 4GB RAM and 128GB ROM. Redmi A4 5G can be used only on Jio SIM. I buy this cell phone under 10,999. If you are interested, then you can check under the link description. Resolution is 1640x720 pixels. Fingerprint on this cell phone you will get on the site. Let's talk about the camera features. Main camera is 50 megapixel with dual camera, and the front camera is 5 megapixels with film camera. As you can check here, I just clicking some photos and I will record even the videos. Before that, I want to show you from this time lapse, portrait mode, 10x zoom with steering UI. After that, I record the videos and I will show you the video here right now. This is the video I have just captured right now. mAh type battery with 18-watt fast charging and 33-watt charger in the box. Operating system is Android Oxygen 14, Snapdragon 4S Gen 2 5G processor. Here's the quality of the video. It's look very colorful with large HD plus display. Really, I feel very good and happy on this cell phone about the display. Now let's test even the sound on this phone. So friends, if you loved the video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.